What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So we're still on the process on swapping the 1jz into the Scion FRs. As you guys know from yesterday's video, we were able to push the motor all the way back to the firewall. By modifying the heater core piping from the car, we were able to push the motor at least like 2-3 inches, far back. So, and also we were able to max out the motor mount and the motor mount plates. There's no more room to go in anymore unless you really cut out the firewall, but hey, why would you do that? Today I really wanted to do the clutch, but before I do that, I really want to check on the oil pan. I want to make sure that everything is good. We're gonna just take it out, clean it out, make sure that there's no junk or any type of stuff on the pickup, and then after that we should be able to seal it back. So here's the motor. I just took it out again and again and again. Look at that. This is a custom dolly. Well, not a custom. This is actually a dolly that I got from Harbor Freight for like $12, and I added some 2x10 in there just to make it more rigid, Hey, look at that. It fits good. Hold the whole motor in place, no problem. Here's a twin disc that I wanted to put today, but I guess I will do that later on tomorrow or something. We got some ARP flywheel studs. Damn, this thing is so pretty. Look at that. What? Damn, I'm so excited. So what I want to do now is I'm gonna try to actually lift the motor up on the hoist, right? And then try to put half of the motor inside the car, and then probably I should be able to take out the oil pan from there.
Are you?
So I ended up putting the motor back into the car because there was no way that I could just leave the motor, halfway hanging in the chassis and then the other way just hanging in the air, It was kind of dangerous, so, might as well just leave it in. But hey, check this out. There is a lot of clearance here for me to work, I just gotta go under it, take out all those 10mm bolts, and then we should be able to replace everything. Double check on everything and also reseal the pan and put it back in. It's not really that bad though. Guess what? It's a pretty warm day today. It's about 60 degrees, pretty good. We could just do some stuff with the garage door open. Nice fresh air. All right, to take out the 1jz oil pan, it is very easy and very simple, right? All you gotta use is a 10mm wrench socket, and you just gotta take out those bolts that is around it. That's pretty much it.
The hell? How many are there? There's like fucking a million of them.
Tap it up with a hammer.
All of them? Should have all of them. It's pretty sealed up there. Here he comes. One more. What the hell? No! What a mess. One thing that I didn't want to. So I would definitely recommend, oh my god, put that thing under it because I wasn't ready for this shit. Oh my god. Fuck. So one thing that I really recommend is have one of these oil bucket ready if you're gonna pull, I guess, any oil pan from any motor, because this is what's gonna happen. Look at all this mess. I don't really recall, but I think the same situation happens when I was doing that other motor, the S13 swap. When I took out the oil pan, I remember that I had a whole bunch of oils in here. Now that I remember. So hey, there you go. So make sure that you get one of those oil bucket. Get yourself ready because it's gonna be a total mess. All right, so inspecting the oil pan, this is pretty much the leftover oil from the motor. Remember that I add new oil in there, you know, before I turn it on. But anyways, it got some white stuff. I don't know what it is. It looks like moist. I don't know what is this. I don't know what's all that. Look at that. Have like white. It feels like chocolate. Oh yeah, look at that. Got more white over here. And then you actually mix it up. It looks like probably moist, you know. Remember, this motor it's been sitting for quite long. You can say probably I don't know, 1 year, 2 years. I don't really know how long it took to import it, you know, into the US. So, you know, after they get here, they power wash it. Maybe water got into there. I remember when I fired the motor on, it was, you know, throwing out a whole bunch of like dirty stuff, like, you know, the turbo was vomiting out. That could be it, you know, like maybe water, moist and all that stuff, you know. But there's no metal shaving in there or anything. It's just dirty, very dirty. I'm gonna have to wash this now. God damn it, look at all this stuff. Damn, and the mess that I created in here is so terrible. Look at that oil pan. Damn, that gunmetal looks so good. It looks like brand new. I washed it up, I cleaned everything up. You know, meanwhile, I was waiting for this thing to dry up to suck all the oil. because I really messed up. Just a little closer view. Look at that. Damn, that paint came out really good. Look at that. Shiny. And it's all cleaned up. All the junk, all the old silicone is gone. I cleaned it up, you know. Still waiting for the oil absorbent to dry up, so I could just clean it up and go under and clean up the rest of the block, so I could just put this back on. Another thing that we're gonna be actually doing is we're gonna be upgrading those stock aluminum bolts. I have some 10 grade bolts around here that we're gonna be using. I think there's this. You need about like probably 18 of them, I believe. These are actually better quality than the stock ones. Now the reason why I'm replacing this bolt is because this aluminum bolt, they're really easy to break. So, you know, I'll be placing them into some steel one. These are actually 10.9 grade. I mean, you don't really need a lot of torque in the oil pan. You just hand tightening is good enough. So we got here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 16, and 2 nuts. We're gonna be replacing these nuts as well. Now the thread pitch for this, if you guys want to go and replace them as well, these are actually M6 by 1.0. Same with this nut over here. So this will actually go in here. Boom, and you should be good. So I mean, like I said, I mean, it doesn't really require a lot of torque on the oil pan, but I mean, since you're already here, why not just replace them as well? Look at these old ones, they look like that, you know, they're all about to break. So these are 10.9 grade, better quality, stronger, so why not? All right, so everything is partially clean. It's time to get under it and clean the rest of the gasket that is actually around the block, and then that should be it. So pretty much cleaning everything. Look at that. That looks so clean. Took out all the old gasket, the old silicone stuff. Damn, it looks brand new. So one thing that I recommend you to use is one of these scrapers. This thing is really useful. It was taking everything out like really quick. I randomly bought this at Summit Racing for like $7. Bro, this thing is really helpful. Look at how clean is it. Damn, I'm so impressed. Look at that. Right? Everything is clean now. Time to put the cover back in. Alright, so for the oil pan gasket for the 1jz, we are going to be using the Permatex Ultra Black. This thing is actually really good. I've been using this for the past couple of years. I never had a problem with it. No leak. This thing seals really good. So the Permatex Ultra Black gasket maker is on. Look at that. It looked like that I kind of OD on it, but it's okay. Now the way how we're gonna put this on is we're gonna actually, you know, raise up the oil pan, and we're gonna put the nut first. One on the left, one on the right. All right, so one those nuts are on, like I said, one on the left and the other one is the right. We can go ahead and tighten them, and then we can add this bolt on. So everything is good, everything is solid. Look at that. You don't have to over torque this. Damn, looks so fresh. I'm kind of in love with this now. Whoa, nice little project today, huh? Woo! Too bad that I messed up on the floor, but you know, it is what it is. It's part of the game, you know? Alright guys, so that's pretty much for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. The next video, we're gonna be putting the always Gaiken twin disc clutch on, so please stay tuned.